Okay, so now we're going to write the orbital diagrams for sulfur and iron. So we need to know, of course, the atoms that we're interested in. We need to find them on the periodic table. We need to figure out the sublevels involved. And then finally, we need to know the number of orbitals in each sublevel. So in order to accomplish those tasks, we're first going to write the electron configuration. We're going to recognize the number of orbitals is related to the sublevel. And finally, we're going to apply what's known as Hund's rule, which is that we're going to put the electrons into orbitals in parallel first, and then add the orbital of the opposite spin second. If you look at the periodic table, the electron configuration for sulfur is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. The number of orbitals at the third level, so we're going to have one orbital for s, okay, plus we're going to have 3 more orbitals for the p. So we're going to have a total of 4 orbitals. And the orbital diagram, so let's just take a look at the third level. So here is for s, and here is for p. Remember that for p or d that we go ahead and write all the orbitals, even if they don't all contain electrons. So into s we have 1 up, 1 down, and the ones for p would go in like this. So first parallel, and then pair up. So this is the orbital diagram, orbital notation for sulfur. So for iron, we're going to go through the same process, and the notation for iron is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and then finally for iron we're going to go up in the D sublevel to 3d6. So we have 1 orbital for the s, 3 for the p, and 5 orbitals that will go into the D sublevel. In this case, I'll go ahead and write out all the orbitals. So if you were asked to write the complete orbital diagram for something like iron, so I'll put 1s2 there, and there's the orbital for that, and then 2s2, and there's the orbital for that one, and then 2p6, and there's the 3 for that. So we're going to fill all of these. Okay, and then we're also going to fill all of these. Then finally for the D, we're going to have 5 orbitals, and I will put these in the order that they would fill. So we're going to go up, 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 like that, and then 1 more down.